Are you suffering with cold? Are you suffering with cough, sore throat, and digestive problem? No need to worry then. Use Amla capsules from Naveda Herbals Ayurveda. After taking 1 month, it can completely relieve from cold, sore throat, and cough. This product contains vitamin C and vitamin E. It also helps to boost your immunity system and cure constipation problem, hair problems, and skin problems. It also helps to weight loss. Daily take 1 capsule twice a day with water. No side effects. Visit our website navedaherbals.com. Our product also available in Amazon, Snapdeal, JioMart. Order now.